Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, yeah, my landlords. Ngithi mina, ngathi wherever bangitshela ukuthi hey, zajika izinto. Ngapha ngokumkhokha ngathi ithi ngigijime. Yazi le ngoma lethi bagijime bangakhathali. That's me. Angikhathalanga. All right. Aqale Mabusi. Mabusi feels guilty. And she decided ukuthi she spoke wrongly with Siswaki Unobuntu, and also Unokubonga, and then that she feels to the need to apologize. Indeed, she went and apologized, and then gave a xolelana kwaba happily ever after. Then Unokubonga naye wathi haka matorokis. Tuta mabheki waya bheki gibo wathi uGailings, I'm still young, I'm still fresh. Mama come support that nje, maybe nje I will get a yummy something on the side. So girl ubuyele bheki gibo umaphalala akay support you, obviously, because culturally it's wrong, but we live in a modern world where women can do whatever they want. Girl is back gibo. Ukuthi what is the plan? Asazi mara she's back gibo with a bang. Then singene endabeni kakhulekani. Guys, I just tried to watch a few episodes back. There was a point where ukhulekani was entering esontweni lakhe agugiwe ngathi uNkosi Herod. Guys, I don't know about the Bible and who Herod, if he was carried or not. That part I'm just making it up, right? Don't say Udisebo quoted the scripture. What? No. Guys, okay? Wakugwa nanguye ngena esontweni yazini unomkhosi afake enye into ngathi uQueen of Sheba. Hey, bekuyisi phithi mamela ke isiphithiphithi asibasebenzeli amandla pheliyani mandla disappearing. Umuntu lo beyangezwa okhulekelwe left, right hand center, bathi hey isho ukuthi uyasabeka if wena you are hearing anything. Okay, wathi angizwa kwasani inhleki ngathi angiba west ke ngokuzwa sekune ekhwa ngisayizwa. Yo sisathi sibekele ukuthi uthi ekhwa kasayizwa ngapha uGailings akasaboni selivusa ma R5 kurhaboni silo akaboni indoda yakhe yathi mamela ke bekabona nyana abona nyana into ukuthi nayi man khona into emhlophe khona into engathi ya manje akasaboni kwasani akakhali ukhulekani bazalwane akaroli phansi ukhulekani akathuki into ayifuna nje amandla. Yabona that's why basho ukuthi empilweni nje awumelanga unqike ngento e1 uyithwarele umuntu nge1 kare shifa amadla athabile ukhala source focal source next source 0, but ke at this point wathi ufuna ukhulekani wathi ufuna uzamcolo rather ngifuna uzamcolo wahamba uSifociya iqiniso laphuma ngendaba kaSifociya ku ifamily kaMthembu mayiphuma iqiniso ngoSifociya ifamily kaMthembu kwathi iqiniso lithini lathi hayi bengi undercover agent so hambiya nezamcolo athi uyothola ukhulekani khulunye nomkhosi poison khulekani. Phela ukhulekani bese yakhala ukuthi uzamcolo uhambile ngambonanga unomkhosi she did her magic bakudlela umuthi bakuloya kini mara abafazi danger thaba mosadi hayi ahamba ukhulekani ayotshela abakibo umamakho omkhulisile ama siblings everywhere athi ningiloya operation inkwasu ningiloya nonke ene nje ke libona litataiza la moto kwaka you will know me beautiful. Unomkhosi uphi nangla kayizini ziyahamba zirafu buza uNdlovu athi the only way for you to get your powers mele ukhuphuke intaba. At this point noma mzobe uzithobile guys understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mzobe like his mom Mzobe repented in truth and in spirit, and she truly believes kukhulekani or girl is up to something. Like no tshelani mina or ugirl ufuna ukuthatha over ibandla likakhulekani if isn't like you tell me. But ke what I know is that ingathi khulekani has fallen and things are no longer going to his way, or rather his way. Izinto zisharagene izinto. Yo, I'm back with a bang, and tomorrow we'll be here. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.